it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So you might be wondering, like, Nicole, why are you in front of your closet? The answer is and the answer is it's because I'm cleaning out my closet. So you know, it's springtime now. Happy spring, guys. I just thought it would be a good idea to get rid of some clothes that I think I'm ready to pass on. This is gonna take a long time, so let's get started. First, we're gonna go to this pile right here. I keep a pile in my closet for clothes that like I know that I want to pass on, or if they don't fit me anymore, I'll just put it in a pile right here so I can post it on my Poshmark. If you don't follow me on Poshmark already, go follow me. My username is @Nicole_Laeno. Click the link down below to shop my closet and buy some of these items. I always post clothes that I'm ready to pass on, or if they don't fit me anymore, or if they're brand new. Like some of these still have tags on them. So let me show you guys a few of the items that I'm going to put on my Poshmark. Oh my god, it's so hot in my room. First two items I have are these two hoodies. This white one right here and then this blue one right here. I really like these because they're very soft inside, they're very cozy, and they're just one color. So you can just add patches, do whatever you want to them. Next, we have two things from Ivy Park. First, these neon shorts, and then also this black top. I really like these together. I wore them for one of Matt's dances. I think it was Dinero. They are both very comfy and they go very well together, but then you can obviously separate them or pair them together. Next is this top right here. This is from PacSun, and this was one of my favorite shirts. This was one of my favorite shirts. I wore this on the first day of 7th grade. It's super cute, but sadly it's too small for me now, so I have to pass it on. Here we have this pajama set. It's brand new. The tag's still on it. It's pink with blue and white stripes, and there's matching shorts with the top. And the fabric is very nice. Then I have three things from Chick by Glossy. First, this set right here is just some leggings and then the matching hoodie. Again, this one's also brand new. It still has the tag on it, but sadly it doesn't fit me. And then the other top from Chick is this t-shirt right here. It says, "Be fearless." I think this would look really cute tied or just down. And here's the other set from Chick by Glossy. I wore this when I taught my first class in Hawaii, so it's pretty special to me, but it's getting really small, so I'm gonna pass it on. It kind of reminds me of like a baseball tee. It's this blue shirt right here and then some black shorts. I love this, but I'm going to pass it on. Then we have this long sleeve. It's white, and then there's this like band right here. Not band, but there's like a stripe right here. I like to pair this with jeans, and yeah. This next one is this black tee, and it has some words on it that I will read right now. Train your mind to see the good in every situation. It's kind of cropped, but not really, and it's really good for dance. Most of these clothes I wore to dance. This other t-shirt is from Diamond. It has a diamond on the front. And then again, it's cropped, but not too cropped, and it's also really good for dance. The last item is this hoodie, kind of crop sweater type thing. It's yellow and it says honey on the front, and I like to pair this with like leggings, jeans, sweats, anything. And those are all the items I'm putting on my Poshmark for now. Let me just show you guys how my Poshmark account looks like. When you click on Poshmark, you can see my closet right here. I've sold many things like dance clothes, school clothes, and it goes pretty fast, so if you want to buy some stuff, make sure to get there quickly. Once again, click the link down below, follow me at Nicole_Laeno, and happy shopping. And plus, I'm probably gonna have even more clothes to put on my Poshmark after I clean my closet, so stay tuned. Alright, let's clean this bad boy. I don't even know where to start. Should I start at my tops or my jackets?
The jackets.
Okay, starting with the jackets. I put the jackets that I most wear at the front. I already know I'm keeping like all of these. Like these back here, I don't remember the last time I touched them. I wore this for Halloween last year. I have to keep this. I'm gonna keep this, right? Yeah, okay. I don't know when the next time I'm gonna wear this, but I'm gonna keep this. First thing down. I think a good thing to think about when you're cleaning out stuff is to think, when was the last time you wore it? And I don't remember, so this is going in the pile for donating. It's probably too small to put it on. It's a little tight, but it's nice. I'm gonna keep this one. I feel like I'm not that sentimental with like objects and stuff. I'm gonna keep this, but I'm just saying like, probably won't have feelings for a lot of stuff. Not that I don't have a heart. I cry in like every movie, but just saying. Oh no, this is not going well. I only have two things and I've gone through like 8. Keep that, keep that, keep that. Oh yeah, by the way, my mom's behind the camera. She's helping me out because she's my best friend. Yay. Wait, I don't want to give any of this away.
They don't.
Okay.
Keep all those.
I'm done with my jackets. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm okay. with that. I have a pile down here of the jackets and clothes that I need to hang up, but I just couldn't because I didn't have enough hangers. But look, 4 new hangers. Let's move on to tops. This feels so good. It's like so refreshing to like cleanse out clothes. Oh my gosh, we're doing so good. Yeah, I've worn this in so many videos, you guys. This will be going on Poshmark. This is a... Guys, this is so cute. It's like a dress, but like shorts. There's like a long back. We're gonna put this on Poshmark. This is a t-shirt dress, and it looks like an actual t-shirt now. I just went through like 3 dresses, and so we're gonna put all of them on Poshmark, including this one. It's a jumpsuit, and it's off the shoulder. For some reason, I love these shirts.
They're comfortable, probably.
Yeah, they're comfy, and they're like, I don't know, I find them so cute.
If it's a maybe, then keep it.
Okay. See, this is why I can't like listen to music while I'm doing homework or like doing things, because then I'll get distracted and start dancing. We went through all of my tops. Let me just show you guys the pile of like how much clothes that I'm gonna donate. Look at all those clothes and even more on the chair. This is actually pretty fun. Now I'm just going to finish hanging the clothes that are on the floor, because again, I didn't have hangers for them, but now I do. I actually have more than enough. Alright guys, now it's time to tackle these drawers down here. If you didn't see my closet tour, you wouldn't know that I labeled everything. So like everything's pretty organized still, but I just should get rid of stuff obviously. So let's just start. This is honey cut stuff. I think I want to keep all of this. I just got some Nike and Adidas stuff, so bless you. So I don't think I'm gonna pass anything on from here, and I'm not getting rid of anything here either. Oh, Joe and Jack's. Okay, I'm going to donate these. These are good for conventions, so I'm gonna keep these. This is so tight.
Okay.
Leo's.
That's a cute set.
Yeah, I like this set. That was a good drawer. So I mostly kept leotards because I do need them, and Joe and Jack's has some really nice leotards. And then I also kept this set and then some shorts. Tank tops. Yeah, okay, I think I'm gonna keep all my tank tops because, you know, they're just like regular camis. Like if I'm on set and they have like wardrobe for you, but some of the stuff don't fit, camis are always good to have. I have 2 of these mesh guys right here, and I'm gonna put them on my Poshmark because they're too small for me. What if I keep the shorts? Okay. All right, this one is labeled more tops and dance clothes. I mean, no, more tops and ballet clothes. So we filmed the Ali Wong dance video in this one. I'm gonna keep this. I've worn this a lot. It's time. It's time to move on. I had this like 3-4 years ago.
Okay, let it go.
I think it was when it was for recitals. Like when I was with a studio. Do you think this Leo still fits me?
No. It was like the best Leo though.
Yeah, true. I have a little ballet skirt that I'm gonna keep. Some extra ballet tights. I probably will add more clothes to these drawers because look how empty it is. Jean vests.
I think we can let them go.
All of them?
Well, I mean, there's probably some that you don't fit at all. No.
It's an extra small in kids. 4 or 5. Aww.
I remember that one. That was Dance Off Juniors.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep this. I booked my first job with this. It was Dance Off Juniors. And then I also went on like a bunch of auditions and stuff with it on, so I'm gonna keep it. I think we did it, guys. Okay, guys, here's the finished pile of the clothes that I'm going to donate or put on my Poshmark. I still have to go through everything to choose which clothes I'm gonna put on my Poshmark. We got rid of a lot of stuff, and I'm pretty proud of it. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the finished closet. Here we go. So nice. I feel like we have a lot more space on the, what do you call this? Like the rack? I don't even know. And a good sign, we don't have any clothes on the floor. We have enough hangers. And yeah, we did a good job, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm going to go through the clothes to figure out what I'm gonna donate and then what I'm gonna put on my Poshmark. Make sure to go follow me on my Poshmark. It's @Nicole_Laeno and click the link down below to shop my closet. And if you end up buying from my Poshmark, make sure to DM me from Instagram. I would love to know. Thank you for coming along with me to clean my closet. I definitely suggest it because you just feel so clean and refreshed after. Like, I feel really good right now. Make sure to subscribe and turn on my post notifications. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.